Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist for Gin and Tonic, and I prepared a really special cocktail for you guys today. A classic gin sour, but with a Mediterranean touch. So as you may have noticed, I'm already pre-chilling my beautiful pony coupette here. It's gonna be a shaken drink, and we're gonna start off with double ounce of Mediterranean gin Mercato. Next, we're gonna go for 25 ml of fresh lemon juice. Add that to the shaker. 15 ml of sugar syrup, simple sugar syrup, just 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. And add that to the shaker. So next, we have a bit of an unusual ingredient. We have egg white. I know a lot of people are put off by the egg white, but I can assure you, egg white is just there to tie up all the flavors together and give it a nice silky texture. Flavor-wise, it's neutral, so you're not gonna feel any taste from this. Cool. So because we have the egg white in there, we're gonna give that a dry shake first, so no ice. I always like to push it one step further, so I'm gonna give it a few tries, a few throws, but you don't need to do this one necessarily at home. So now we've broken down the egg. We can ice it up all the way to the top and give it a firm shake. Always try what you're doing. At this stage, I can still modify it. After it's in the glass, it's too late. That's banging. So we're just gonna discard the ice and double strain everything into the pony coupette glass. Such a nice creamy texture. Now, as a garnish, I'm gonna go for Peychaud bitters, and we're just gonna do 1 line. And because I went for Mediterranean gin, I'm gonna garnish that with a lovely sprig of rosemary. So there we have it. Classic gin sour with a Mediterranean twist. Enjoy.